Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to look at a very common problem, a dead car battery. Specifically, we'll show you how to safely jumpstart a Toyota Auris Hybrid. It might seem intimidating because it's a hybrid, but it's actually very straightforward once you know where to look. You are not jumping the large hybrid battery, you are only giving a boost to the small 12-volt battery that powers the car's computer and electronics, allowing the hybrid system to turn on. Before we start, let's talk about safety. Make sure both cars are turned completely off and in park with the parking brake engaged. You will need a set of jumper cables and a second working car to provide the power. Now, let's get started. First, open the hood of your Toyota Auris. You don't need to go to the trunk where the actual 12-volt battery is located. Toyota has provided easy-to-access jumpstart terminals right in the engine bay. Look for the main fuse box. It's a black plastic box, usually on the passenger side of the engine compartment. Open the cover of the fuse box. Inside, you will see a special terminal with a red plastic cap on it, often marked with a plus symbol. This is your positive jumpstart terminal. Now it's time to connect the cables in the correct order, which is very important. Take your red jumper cable and connect one clamp to the positive terminal you just found under the red cap in your Auris's fuse box. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive plus symbol terminal of the battery in the working donor car. After that, take the black jumper cable. Connect one of its clamps to the negative minus symbol terminal of the battery in the donor car. For the final connection, and this is a key safety step, connect the last black clamp to a solid, unpainted, metal part of your Auris's engine block or chassis. A thick metal bolt or bracket away from the battery and moving parts is a perfect spot. Do not connect it directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. This grounding point prevents sparks near the battery. With everything connected, start the engine of the donor car and let it run for about 5 minutes. This will send a charge to the Auris's 12-volt battery. After 5 minutes, get into your Auris and press the power button. The dashboard should light up and you should see the ready indicator. This means the car is on, even if the gasoline engine hasn't started, which is normal for a hybrid. Once the ready light is on, you can disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First, remove the black clamp from the metal grounding point on the Auris. Then, remove the black clamp from the donor car's battery. Next, remove the red clamp from the donor car. Finally, remove the red clamp from the Auris's fuse box terminal and close the red cap and fuse box cover. To ensure the battery gets a good recharge, keep your Auris running for at least 20 to 30 minutes, preferably by driving it around. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please consider liking this video and subscribing to support the channel so we can continue making useful guides like this one. See you next time.